Hello. I would just want to talk to you about accommodations and what they mean for me as a professor and what they mean for teachers in general. Accommodations are those things that we do for our students to help them learn the same as everybody else. An accommodation is when we make sure the student has what he or she needs to learn the same material as everybody else. An example of that might be if I have a student that's sensitive to light, I might have to change the environment a little bit and place that student in another part of the room where the light is not too strong. Another example of accommodation is I have a student that is very easily distracted, like ADHD. I might need to place that student in another part of the classroom where there are fewer distractions. But accommodations, as I see them, are those things that we do to help the student learn the same thing as everybody else. It's slightly different than a modification. A modification is where we try to change what the students are learning. We make changes so that student can learn, but it's not the same thing as everybody else. An accommodation, though, is they are learning the same objectives or the same concepts as everyone.
Okay, this is Jess. She's a student in our classroom and she has dyslexia. So an accommodation that we can make for her in the classroom is text to talk, which is just a software that it reads as she's reading along. It reads out loud to her in her headphones, and so she hears it instead of just reading it where she has trouble. Okay, now what is our next step?
We're going to combine like terms.
Combine like terms, which is we're going to add our two x's together. So 2x plus 3x is
5x.
5x. Okay, and then 4 minus 2.
2
Plus 2.
because it's
Okay?
positive.
Yeah, because it's positive. You guys go ahead and finish solving that problem. Tanner, you can have a 2-minute break. Okay? Okay, what did everybody get?
-2 this.
Thank you. Okay, this is Tanner. He is a student who has ADHD. One accommodation that we can have for him in the classroom is to allow him to take breaks during lectures. I'm going to pass out your guys' test so you can start working on it whenever you get it, okay? No talking. You're going to go out in the hall and take it with Mrs. Puff, okay? This is Mallory. She is a student of mine who is visually impaired. She has difficulty reading the test. To accommodate her, we are having the test read to her aloud.